Hey everyone, Kev the Trainer here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the Mikolo M1 2.0 space-saving Smith machine squat rack. This is a compact all-in-one setup that combines a Smith machine, cable system, pull-up bars, landmine attachment, and several other features all into one piece of equipment. So if you're building a home gym and want something versatile that doesn't take up a lot of space, this could be a really great option to consider. I'll walk you through the features, specifications, assembly process, and the types of exercises you can perform on this rack. This will give you an idea of whether it might be a good fit for your setup. Before we dive deeper into the Mikolo M1 2.0, I want to take a minute to explain the difference between a Smith machine and a traditional free-weight barbell rack, because that's a question a lot of people have when building their home gyms. For comparison, I also have the Mikolo Anubis 2.0, which is a more traditional power rack designed for free-weight barbell training. The biggest difference between the two comes down to how the bar moves. On a Smith machine like the one on the M1 2.0, the barbell travels along fixed vertical rails, meaning the bar moves straight up and down a guided path. Because the bar is stabilized by the machine, you don't have to balance it yourself the way you would with a traditional free-weight barbell. The bar also includes built-in hooks that allow you to quickly rack and secure the bar by simply rotating your wrists. This is especially helpful if you reach muscle fatigue or fail a rep during an exercise, because you can lock the bar in place immediately. It adds an extra layer of safety and confidence, particularly for people who are training alone without a spotter. This can be really helpful for people who are new to lifting, training alone, or just want an extra layer of safety. The Smith machine also makes certain exercises easier because you can focus more on pushing or pulling the weight rather than worrying about stabilizing the bar. With a traditional rack, the barbell is completely free, meaning it's not attached to any rails. Because of that, free weight training typically activates more stabilizer muscles and allows for a more natural movement pattern. However, it also requires more technique and control, especially when lifting heavier weights. So generally speaking, Smith machines offer more built-in stability and safety, while free weight racks offer more freedom of movement and overall muscle engagement. Both have their advantages. Some people prefer the simplicity and safety of a Smith machine, especially for home workouts, while others prefer the traditional barbell experience of a free weight rack. Now let's take a closer look at what the M1 2.0 offers. The Mikolo M1 2.0 incorporates a Smith machine system that allows you to perform many of the essential barbell exercises safely and efficiently. With the Smith barbell, you can perform movements such as squats, bench presses, bent over rows, shoulder presses, Romanian deadlifts, and more. But the M1 2.0 isn't just limited to Smith machine movements. The rack also includes 2 cable pulleys and leg support features, which allow you to perform exercises like lat pull-downs, cable rows, and other cable-based movements. Included attachments are a lat pull-down bar, a short straight bar, and an ankle strap attachment. These attachments open up a wide range of additional exercises, including tricep pushdowns, bicep curls, cable kickbacks, and more. The weights used by the cable system are also weight plates that are used on the barbells. In addition, there's also a landmine attachment so you can perform landmine presses, squats, and more, as well as a pull-up bar with multiple grips. Overall, this rack gives you a lot of training variety without needing multiple machines. Let's talk about the size and build of the rack. The overall height of the rack is about 6 feet 11 inches. The width is about 6 feet 5 inches, and the depth is roughly 4 feet and 3.5 inches. So while this rack offers a lot of functionality, it still maintains a relatively compact footprint, which is great for garages, spare rooms, or smaller home gym spaces. There are 15 adjustment holes along the uprights, allowing you to easily adjust the bar position depending on the exercise you're performing. In terms of capacity, the Smith bar and cable system have a capacity of 500 pounds, so it's designed to handle pretty serious strength training. The rack also includes both 2-inch and 1-inch weight storage posts, which means you can use either Olympic plates or standard plates depending on what you have. The entire rack weighs about 203 pounds, which gives it a solid and stable feel once assembled. The cable system uses a 1-to-1 pulley ratio, meaning the amount of weight you load onto the machine is exactly the amount of weight you're pulling. Some cable systems reduce the weight due to pulley mechanics, but with a 1-to-1 ratio, you get a more direct resistance level. In terms of construction, the rack uses 2-inch by 2-inch uprights made from 14-gauge steel, which gives it a sturdy and durable frame. It also features 1-inch holes along the uprights, making it compatible with many different rack attachments. Another nice detail is the laser cut numbering system, which helps you quickly line up both sides of the rack at the same height when adjusting attachments or safeties. Assembly for the M1 2.0 is actually very straightforward. The rack arrives in 2 main boxes, with additional boxes if you also order weight plates, a bench, or other accessories. Outside of using a box cutter to open everything, I didn't need any additional tools. Everything required to assemble the rack comes inside the package, including the wrenches needed for installation. The instructions are laid out step by step in the instruction booklet, making it very easy to follow along with. Putting the entire rack together took me about 5 hours by myself. If you had another person helping you, it would probably go a bit faster, especially when lifting and aligning some of the larger pieces. Now let's talk about some of the features that make this rack unique. One feature I really like is the Detachable Leg Holder. This allows you to lock your legs down during lat pull downs, which helps keep your body stable so you can focus on pulling with your back instead of lifting yourself off the seat. The height of the leg holder can also be adjusted for different users. When you're using it, it sits in the center of the rack directly underneath the upper pulley. When it's not being used, it can be stored neatly in a designated storage location on the front of the rack, which helps keep things organized. The Smith Machine barbell allows you to load weight plates on each side and secure them using clips. The bar also includes built-in adjustable safety stoppers. These can be set to stop the bar at a certain height, which is especially helpful during exercises like squats. For example, if you're squatting and fail a rep, the safety stoppers prevent the bar from dropping too low and potentially causing injury. It adds an extra layer of safety when training without a spotter. When you're not using the Smith machine, the bar can be stored on the hooks at the very top of the rack, keeping it out of the way so you can freely perform other exercises inside the rack. Another useful feature is the band pegs. These allow you to attach resistance bands to the rack and add variable resistance to exercises like squats or presses. Variable resistance means the movement becomes more challenging at the top of the lift, where the bands are stretched the most. This can help improve strength, power, and muscle activation throughout the entire range of motion. At the top of the rack is a multi-grip pull-up bar. This gives you several different grip options for exercises like pull-ups, chin-ups, and neutral grip pull-ups. Having multiple grip positions can help target different muscles in the back, shoulders, and arms. The rack also includes a Landmine attachment, which can be installed in different positions on the rack depending on your space. If you have a free weight barbell, you can insert it into the Landmine and perform exercises like Landmine presses, Landmine squats, both together, and more. Landmine movements are great because they allow for natural angle movement patterns, which can feel more comfortable on the shoulders and lower back compared to traditional barbell lifts. In terms of storage, the rack includes weight storage pegs on the back left and right sides, allowing you to keep your plates organized and easily accessible. This also helps keep your workout area clean and clutter-free. Overall, the Mikolo M1 2.0 is an excellent option for anyone looking to build a versatile home gym without taking up too much space. So who is this rack really for? If you're new to lifting or training alone, this rack is a great choice because the Smith machine provides a guided path and built-in safety stops, giving you confidence when performing exercises like squats or bench presses without a spotter. If you're someone with limited space, like a garage, apartment, or spare room, this rack packs a lot of functionality into a compact footprint, allowing you to do barbell lifts, cable exercises, pull-ups, landmine presses, and more without needing multiple machines. It's also ideal for lifters who want variety in their workouts. Whether you want to combine free weight style strength training with cables, bands, pull-ups, or landmine movements, this rack lets you do it all in one station. In short, if you're looking for a space-efficient all-in-one solution that covers a wide range of exercises, the Mikolo M1 2.0 is a smart investment for home gym enthusiasts of all levels. If you're interested, check out my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.